Did you guys just hear that? Somebody rang on the doorbell. That's weird. Somebody... Bro, I'm not the only one who sees that, right? There's a freaking letter in the door. Okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be doing an opening to this package we got. It's kind of cool because it's from YouTube. So I'm guessing I got a package from YouTube. I don't know what YouTube is sending me. I haven't looked at my emails recently, so I don't know if they sent me something. It's a little paper, so I'm guessing it might be a letter saying my AdSense is up, or I can get ads now. So let's open this. It's really freaking sticky, guys. A folded up paper. Okay. Their Sharpie doesn't work, I guess. No way, guys! I got my first play button. Cameraman, zoom back out. I got my first freaking play button. It says, congrats on 200 subs on YouTube. That's so freaking cool, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys don't understand. It has the play button. Guys, like, this is so freaking cool, guys. I had the play button and it says 200 on it. I'm guessing it's because I hit 200 subs. Hopefully I'm going to hit 300 soon. So if you're not subscribed, if you're new, I can get another one of freaking these. Hey guys, another one. I'm going to be hanging this up on my room right now. I'll show you guys. Let's bring this paper. Or my play button. Yeah, my play button. It's backwards. Okay. My play button. Yeah. It's gonna go up here where I have my Shop Max thing and my basketball team that I love so dearly. So let's transition this. Guys, I've just been informed that I looked at my emails and there was something else in the package besides this. I don't know what it would be. It's kind of weird. But I have the package right here. I'm kind of scared that something's gonna pop out and kill me. 'Cause, you know. Look, there's actually something in there. Let's open it. Okay. This can freaking... If this can freaking focus right now. Only assume what this says. But I'm guessing it says, you suck, BTW, which also means, by the way, GL, which means good luck, and it says, on YouTube.
Wait, but why does it say you suck then?
I don't know, maybe because I clickbait too much. Guys, No freaking way! No way, guys!
Woo!
My freaking play button's up. Yeah, guys. Oh
Yeah, guys.
Guys, that was just a freaking skit, you know?
Oh yeah, that was a skit.
It was a skit, the suck thing, everything was a skit. But that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys smash that
Wait.
freaking like
Can you
button.
redo that? Like, redo the whole thing. Just like get rid of that and then do it again. No.
Yeah, he wants me to do that because I got a clip of him showing his butt. Gonna play right now.
He just played it.
And yeah, guys, so that's gonna be the end of today's freaking vlog. Your butthole's exposed on YouTube too.
I'm gonna tell. He's like Yvonne. I'm gonna
Yeah.
tell.
But guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I do like, comment, subscribe, peace.